Hi everyone, you are welcome in my YouTube channel that is NP Health Vlog. This is my another tutorial video of psychiatric nursing on topic milestone in psychiatry. In previous video, we have seen evolution of mental health services and treatment. Now, it's time to discuss development milestone in psychiatry. This portion is important as various question is asked in different nursing officer exam. At the end of the video, we will discuss some of the important questions. Hope this video might helpful for you to understand the concept better. So, let's start milestone in psychiatry. On discussing this topic, we will discuss it in two different places. First, we will discuss at international level and secondly at India. In this video, we will discuss at international level and the rest we will discuss in another video. So, let's begin. 1773. The first mental hospital in the US was built in Williamsburg, Virginia. America's first public mental health facility, established 1773 in Williamsburg, Virginia, for persons of insane and disordered minds. 1793. Philip Pinel removed the chains from the mentally ill patients confined in Bicêtre, a hospital outside Paris, thus bringing about the first revolution in psychiatry. The approach of humanity in the true sense of mental patients started with the active efforts of French physician Philippe Pinel. He earned fame as the father of modern psychiatry. After becoming in charge of La Bicêtre Mental Hospital, mental patients were ordered to be freed from iron chains and placed in rooms with adequate air and light. As a result, it was seen that the mental patient begins to cooperate adequately in the treatment and the result was encouraging. After that, in 1812, the first American textbook in psychiatry was written by Benjamin Rush, who is referred to as the father of American psychiatry. Benjamin Rush is also known as the father of American psychiatry. This is also framed as a question. You may ask question like this from here that who is known as the father of American psychiatry? The answer is Benjamin Rush. In 1908, Clifford Beers wrote the book The Mind That Found Itself. This book is Clifford Beers' autobiography. He was an ex-patient of a mental hospital. He wrote this book based on his bitter experiences in the hospital. He founded the American Mental Health Association, which made a major contribution towards the improvement of conditions of mental hospital. Clifford Beers. He was an American author and influential figure in the field of mental hygiene in the United States. Beers was a graduate 1897 of Yale University who suffered severe episodes of depression and anxiety and was maltreated and abused during his confinement at various private and state mental institutions. He shared his struggle with mental illness openly in his autobiography, A Mind That Found Itself in 1908, which also served as a call to reform mental health care and to advance the fledgling science of psychiatry and psychology. 1912. Eugen Bleuler, a Swiss psychiatrist, coined the term schizophrenia. In the early 20th century at Europe, Bleuler worked as a psychiatrist caring for patients with psychiatric disorders at a variety of pub facilities in Europe. Bleuler coined the term schizophrenia to describe a group of diseases that cause changes in thought process and behavior in humans as well as difficulties relating to the world. Let's have a look at life history of Bleuler. Bleuler was born on 30 April 1857 in Zollikofen, later a part of Zurich, Switzerland, to Pauline Bleuler and Johann Rudolf Bleuler. Bleuler parents were farmers who participated in the politics of their rural town. Bleuler's parents hospitalized his older sister at the Barjolti Asylum at the University of Zurich in Zurich, Switzerland. Bleuler later identified his sister, who remained mentally ill and a resident of Barjolti throughout her life, as having schizophrenia. Bleuler's experience with his sister motivated him to become a psychiatrist to help patients in similar situations. Bleuler first described schizophrenia in writing as a splitting of mental process. Bleuler defined schizophrenia as a group of diseases rather than just one disorder. After that, in 1927, insulin shock treatment was introduced for schizophrenia. Insulin shock treatment. It was introduced in 1927 by Austrian American psychiatrist Manfred Sackel mainly for schizophrenia. 1936. 1936 frontal lobotomy was advocated for the management of psychiatric disorders. After that, in 1938 electroconvulsive therapy, which is known as ECT, was used for the treatment of psychosis. In 1938, Carletti and his psychiatrist colleague Lucio Bini developed the first ECT device and treated their first human patients, a diagnosed schizophrenic with delusions, hallucinations, and confusion. The treatment worked just as planned, and the patient's condition improved markedly. 1939. Development of psychoanalytical theory by Sigmund Freud led to new concept in the treatment of mental illness. After that, in 1949, lithium was first used for the treatment of mania. In 1952, chlorpromazine was introduced, which brought about a revolution in psychopharmacology and changed the whole picture of mental health care. Now it's question time. Who introduced therapeutic community? And your option is A. Maxwell Jones, B. Philip Peniel, C. Benjamin Rush, D. Bleuler. And the answer is A. Maxwell Jones. Chlorpromazine drug was introduced in which year? And yours option is A. 1942, B. 1952, C. 1962, and D. 1972. And the answer is 1952. Chlorpromazine was Chlorpromazine was introduced, which brought about a revolution in psychopharmacology and changed the whole picture of mental health care. Moving to the next questions. Question number 2. Who wrote the book The Mind That Found Itself? And your options to this question is A. Clifford Beers, B. Linda Richards, C. Maxwell Jones, D. Philip Peniel. And the answer to this question is Clifford Beers. Clifford Beers wrote the book The Mind That Found Itself. This book is Clifford Beers' autobiography. And the next question is, who is the first American psychiatric nurse? This question is important. And your option is A. Hildegard Pepelu, B. Betty Newman, C. Linda Richards, and D. Florence Nightingale. And yours answer is Linda Richard. Moving to the next question. Lithium was first introduced for the treatment of mania in which year? And yours option is A. 1938, B. 1949, C. 1950, and D. 1955. And the answer is 1949. Lithium was first used for the treatment of mania. Next question is, ECT was first used for the treatment of psychosis in which year? And the option is A. 1938, B. 1949, C. 1952, and D. 1965. And the answer is 1938. Electroconvulsive therapy was used for the treatment of psychosis. Moving to the next question. The term schizophrenia was coined by. Your option is A. Philip Peniel, B. William Tuke, C. Eugen Bleuler, D. Benjamin Rush. And the answer is Eugen Bleuler. Now it's time to solve one word question. So, next question. Who is known as the father of psychiatry? And the answer is Alcibiades. Next. Who is known as the father of American psychiatry? And the answer is Benjamin Rush. Don't get confused as it looks similar. So, get clear your concept. And the next is father of modern psychiatry. Father of modern psychiatry. And the answer is Philip Peniel. Next question. Mother of modern psychiatry. And the answer is Hildegard E. Pepelu. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell button. It will remind you for my another video like this.